Hey, what's happening? It's Chet here. We're down by Lake Ontario here, just taking in the sights. We got the djineo here, which is a really cool drone. Don't need a controller for it, don't need to use your phone, you just turn it on. It's got a bunch of different modes. We're going to try it out, see how it works. Check this out. Just at the park here. Let's see how it takes off, and we'll go from there.
Follow mode. Circle mode. Expanse mode. Rocket mode. Spotlight mode. Walking along the beach mode. Just kidding. Custom mode.
All right, DJI Neo Fly More combo. I picked this bad boy up. Comes with the controller, RN3 I think it's called, plus the drone, which you actually really don't need to have the controller for because you saw the flying that I did right on its own. Comes with 3 batteries as well. It's got a couple propellers. It's got the connectors for the controllers, which is USB-C to C and USB-C to Lightning. Some manuals and stuff. Nobody needs those. Who reads those? I don't know. Maybe you do, I don't, but it's all good. Take your battery pack, slide it in, put it together, take off the cover. Now the cool thing about this, unfortunately at the beginning of the video, I couldn't show you how it goes because obviously you gotta press the button. Okay, so you're gonna double click this so it turns on, like most of the DJI drones do, okay? Then from there, you're gonna basically put it in the palm of your hand, like so, and you're gonna press it down.
Medium, follow, 3, 2, 1.
It's gonna start up, okay? Like so. Now, you're gonna bring it down, stick your hand underneath it, and bam. This thing is really, really lightweight, really small. It's got covers on it, so it protects you from getting your hands cut and whatnot. When you have it in the palm of your hand, it raises. When you put your hand underneath it, it will basically come back down. You've got all your different modes here, like I had in the video. When I was using it, I just used all the settings that were basically when you took it out of the box. You can use the app on your phone, the DJI Fly app, and from there you're able to change the distance that it's from you as well as the height, but I just took it out of the box and used it the way that that was. Definitely having these batteries is beneficial because the batteries, they say, last about 18 minutes. So depending on, you know, the wind and whatnot, probably a lot less. but still good to always have extra batteries with you. This thing's really small, you can put it in your pocket, walk around with it. That's what I was doing. You get your different modes, the sensor underneath it for when your hand comes down. Really nice piece of gear. Like taking this out and just playing around with it. You can also use it with a bunch of different controllers as well as the FPV goggles with that as well. And it gives you lots of versatility to be able to take it on the go and use it. But yeah, good piece of tech. Like it a lot. You take care.